presenting a pre-owned 2011 Lexus LS. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter V8 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Lexus has less than 107,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include cold weather package, luxury package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, moonroof, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, DVD player, and navigation system.